This camping essential combines a fan and light for your tent. The lantern brightens up your space, while the fan circulates air to cool you quickly. With 18 ultra-bright LED bulbs and 2 fan speeds, it provides great airflow and lighting. Its collapsible design includes a hanging hook for versatile use. Powered by 2D batteries, not included, it is ideal for camping, emergencies, and power outages. Lightweight and portable, it is easy to carry. Experience fresh coffee with the Stanley pour-over set. The stainless steel filter enhances flavors and is reusable, unlike paper filters. It is easy to use. Just add coffee grounds, pour hot water, and let it drip into your cup. The design is durable, stylish, and ideal for home or outdoor use. Cleaning is simple with a quick rinse. Backed by Stanley's lifetime warranty, this set is built for life and perfect for coffee lovers. The Jackery Explorer 240 V2 is a compact yet powerful portable power station. It features a 256 Wh battery with 3,000 charge cycles and a 10-year lifespan. Weighing just 7.7 pounds, it powers essential devices with a 300 W output. Recharge quickly via an app, wall outlet, or solar panels. It includes multiple ports, a camping light, and safety certifications. Ideal for camping, emergencies, and outdoor adventures, this station ensures reliable power on the go. Keep your eggs safe with this durable plastic case. Designed to protect eggs from breaking, it is an essential addition to your camping or cooking gear. The container locks securely and holds up to 12 large USDA eggs. It features a molded handle for easy carrying and is lightweight for convenience. Whether camping, hiking, or picnicking, this egg container is perfect for outdoor activities and ensures your eggs stay fresh and intact. Stay fresh on the trail with this compact toothbrush capsule. It includes a replaceable toothbrush head and compartments for toothpaste or small items. Made of lightweight aluminum, it reduces plastic use and is easy to pack. Its durable design is perfect for camping, hiking, or travel. The toothbrush ensures oral hygiene anywhere, making it an essential part of your adventure kit. Practical and portable, it is a great addition to your outdoor gear. This high-quality tripod board is made of durable stainless steel, perfect for outdoor cooking. Use branches as legs and adjust the chain to the desired height for grilling or hanging pots. It is lightweight, easy to carry, and fits in camping backpacks. Ideal for camping, picnics, or barbecues, it adds fun to outdoor adventures. Its simple structure ensures convenience, making it a thoughtful gift for camping enthusiasts and a must-have outdoor accessory. Set up camp in seconds with a Night Cat pop-up tent. Simply toss it to the ground, and it opens in 3 seconds. The compact design folds into a smaller size for easy carrying. Spacious enough for 2 adults and kids, it offers ventilation with big doors and windows. Waterproof and windproof materials ensure comfort in any weather. This lightweight tent is perfect for camping, beach trips, or quick getaways with family or friends. This portable water purifier features advanced 5-stage filtration for safe drinking water. It removes impurities with an ultrafiltration membrane, PP cotton, and activated carbon. The built-in battery purifies up to 56,810 ounces of water per charge, lasting 10 to 15 days for multiple users. Lightweight and compact, it is easy to carry and includes an emergency light. Perfect for camping, hiking, or emergencies, it ensures clean water anytime, anywhere. Organize your outdoor cooking gear with this compact utensil set. Each tool fits neatly in a designated pouch, preventing damage during storage or travel. Made from tough woven cotton, it protects utensils from weather and falls. Stylish and durable, it is perfect for camping, picnics, or outdoor events. With a portable design, it fits in luggage or can be carried by hand. This essential kit keeps your cooking tools clean and accessible. Relax outdoors with this folding rocking chair. Its lightweight design is easy to carry and assemble within seconds. The 24-inch mesh back provides excellent ventilation and support, while wide armrests and side pockets add comfort. Made with sturdy steel and durable fabric, it holds up well for outdoor activities. The chair folds into a compact size, making it perfect for camping, sports, or picnics. Enjoy nature in comfort with this portable chair. The ETENWOLF AIR 3 air pump is a compact and lightweight air pump perfect for inflating most inflatable products, except paddleboards, sports balls, and car tires. With double the inflation speed and deflation capability, it can inflate an air mattress in 1 minute. Its rechargeable 2,600 mAh battery powers up to 16 sleeping pads per charge. It also features a bright 600 lumens LED camping light with 3 modes and 5 nozzles for versatile use. The VILLEY portable camping side table is made from lightweight aluminum, weighing just 2 pounds and 5 ounces. Its durable hinged connection ensures lasting stability, supporting up to 66 pounds. Designed for easy cleaning, the waterproof tabletop resists stains and fading. Installation is tool-free, making it perfect for camping, picnics, or beach trips. This foldable table fits easily in a backpack or vehicle, offering a sturdy and reliable surface wherever you need it.